Welcome to another eToll-free tutorial. This video will show you how to add a phone extension in the ViciDial administration panel. To start, you need to log in to the ViciDial administration dashboard. Then go to Admin. Then click Phones. Now choose Add a new phone. For the phone extension field, it can be alphanumeric character, but we suggest using just numbers, especially if you plan to use agent direct extensions for an IVR. Now for the dial plan number, this field is for the number you dial to have the phone ring. Then, the voicemail box. For the dial plan number and voicemail box, we suggest keeping it the same as your phone extension for better management in the long run. The outbound caller ID can be blank. For the final few steps, you will need to add an agent screen login password, and registration password. The login and registration password can be different, since we will be using a third-party softphone. For now, we will leave the admin user group, server IP, status, active account, and the rest of the settings without any changes. Then, click Submit. After you successfully register a phone extension, ViciDial will show you the full phone extension settings like this. Again, since we will be using ViciDial interface to log in as an agent user, we don't need to set up the web phone. Please check how to set up Zoiper on another video. Now, client protocol needs to be set to SIP. Then, the template ID should be set to SIP generic. When done, scroll at the bottom of the page and click Submit. We have successfully added a new phone extension. For any other eDialer concerns, feel free to go to our website, www.etollfree.net, and click the chat support icon, located at the bottom right of the web page. Our friendly eToll-free customer support representatives are ready to help from Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and on Saturdays from 7 a.m. to 12 noon. If you need to send a ticket after office hours, not a problem. Email us at support@etollfree.net, and someone from eToll-free support will reach out to you as soon as possible.